for all you haters who say I'm compensating. Alright, so the plan is I'm gonna meet up with Bronson at like 9 at McDonald's. We're gonna get some grub, then we're gonna run to the grocery store, get some snackage for today, because we're gonna be fishing the entire day, maybe even into the night if we're having bites. So, yeah. Well, alright, so this lake that we're going to actually doesn't even have a name. It's not technically actually not even considered a lake. It's just this little hole, I guess, back in these trails in the woods that a buddy of ours lives next to, kind of, and he fished it before, and they've caught like 100 crappies out there in like a night, like a couple hours. It's pretty crazy. That was last year, so we're gonna see if we can't hook into some crappies today. I got my truck back there once during the summer, but it's like all four-wheeler trails, and there's some really narrow trees and some kind of sketchy spots. So I think what we're gonna do is, that's why I brought the four-wheelers, we're gonna drive the four-wheeler out there instead. So yeah. So like I said, this is why we're bringing the four-wheeler, because I'm not gonna be able to get my truck back this lake, or it could be possible. I guess I just don't really want to try it. I don't want to get stuck back there. And then it'll be nice to have the four-wheeler, because we can take the four-wheeler out on the lake where I don't really feel comfortable taking my truck out on the lake yet. I'm sure the ice is fine, but I don't know. Like there's been one person out here that's dragging a toboggan set up over there, so we might end up punching the poles around where they were, 'cause I don't really know what they're doing. It looks like there's a beer house. I don't know if you guys can see it set up down there. It's pretty small. Get on some fish. Alright, we punched about, I don't know, how many holes do you think we punched? 30. Yeah, we probably punched like 30 holes. I just did a line going that way. Bronson did a line going that way. We're just gonna start fishing down it and see if we can't hook anything. If we're not getting any bites, we'll keep moving that way. So yeah, we're just gonna be jigging every hole. See if we can't hook into something. Probably can't even see my four-wheeler down there, but I started down there and just kind of weaved my way all the way down here until I hit weeds. Hit weeds here, so I'm gonna stop. But I'm just gonna work this whole line down until we can find some fish. Bronson did the same thing on the other side of the lake. People that own that beer house that I pointed out at the beginning of the video showed up. Their six-wheeler, and they checked their house and they set up a portable a little ways down, but they're cutting a spear hole, so I think they're just spearing. But we're gonna get on some fish, whatever it takes. I guess the most holes I've ever drilled in my life. Brush it off and everything. But now I'm just gonna work all these holes until we find some. I was back here taking a piss, and I looked up and I think I might have found a little deer stand or something back up here. And check it out. This is all state land around this lake here, or at least that's what my friend told me. It looks like there's a deer stand back here. Don't know how sturdy it is anymore. Yeah, a little deer stand, or I guess it could be a bow stand too. Huh. Well, I got the first fish of the day. Felt the world's smallest perch. But we're not skunked, so maybe we're onto something. Good release of this monster. Bronson's got a fish. Got a nice chubby little pike. Throw the pliers out, it came in handy. Nice little pike.
4 feet of water.
Really? Is it that shallow over here?
Pretty shallow.
Alright, so we're starting to get a little nippy out, so we're gonna set up the portable with the heater here. Moved, I don't know, next to a spot where some other people set up before, so I don't know, I guess we'll see what happens. You know, we're not gonna stake the house in either, so we can always move it. Alright, it's about 4 o'clock. Got a little portable set up here. Little heater going. Just jigging, seeing if we can't get anything flown by. So the buddy of ours that's caught all the fish out here that told us to come out here just got off work, so we're gonna go meet him at the gravel pit where we parked our vehicles and pick him up and bring him out here. Maybe he'll be able to show us where the fish are.
One of you drilling holes?
Yep, it is actually. We finally got on the fish, boys. Just a little 8-inch crappie.
But since we're in Minnesota, it gets dark at 5.
Yep. It's kind of a bust. All we caught was a northern, a little 4-inch perch in that crappie. It was kind of sucky. the kid came out there with us that was caught hundreds of crappies out there, but we hit all of his spots and we only caught the one, so I don't know what was up, but at least we had some fun. Get to rip on the four-wheeler a little bit. Still caught a couple fish. It's better than nothing. That I was sitting at home